SmartLabs are also standards aligned, and so they're going to be learning the Colorado academic standards while at the same time they're getting to apply those standards in real-world authentic situations. And so they get to learn how the standards actually turn into real-world products. Hi, my name is Deagan Andrews. I'm the Director of Curriculum and Personalized Learning, and I've had the distinct pleasure of helping support implementation of SmartLabs in our elementary schools. SmartLabs are comprehensive systems that support the implementation of STEM into the classroom. And STEM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And so students engage in authentic projects that bring STEM fields to life. SmartLabs provides students with really an opportunity to dive in and engage in hands-on activities. And the other part about it that's really part of the process is the opportunity for students to dive into a project and then reflect and refine along the way. And so there are multiple opportunities for them to continue to improve their projects, to make sure that their ideas really come to life and that they finish with a really refined project that they can share with the world. One of the things that we really appreciate about SmartLabs is the flexibility. So a student could go into a SmartLab and engage in a project that is already aligned to the standards. Or it could work in the other direction, where a teacher has a project that students are doing, and then they can leverage what's in the SmartLab for students to actually create those projects. And so we love the flexibility of both of those opportunities, where either a student could just go in and immerse themselves in the SmartLab, and classroom teachers can leverage the resources that are there. One of the things that excites me most about these implementations is making sure that all of our students have access to think about future careers, and for them to really engage in that work so they can see themselves in any of those occupations down the road. And so I think these implementations are just fundamental to making sure that our students can widen their vision a little bit about what their dreams for future lives for themselves can include. One of the most exciting things about this opportunity has been the partnership with the Success Foundation in our community, because really we couldn't do this without the support of our community. And when a whole community and our school system within our community come together to provide these kinds of opportunities for our students, it's just amazing what can happen. And so that partnership has been integral. Without people coming to the forefront and being willing to support the implementation with dollars, this would have never happened in our schools.